Hi everyone, Pam here again from Creative Homescaping. Today's video is part of an open collaboration or challenge that's being hosted by Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and two other ladies, Create with Cindy and Easy Living with Elle, both of whom have channels. I'll link their channels down below, all three of them, as well as a playlist to this collaboration when it's available. And today's collaboration is a New Year's Day tablescape, and it's appropriate since today is New Year's Day 2019. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you're off to a good start so far, and I hope you enjoy what I put together for my tablescape for New Year's Day. So this is my family room. As you can see, most of it is still decorated for Christmas. However, I have decorated the coffee table for New Year's Day breakfast. And the reason I've set it up on my coffee table is that this area here is right next to my kitchen. And this would generally be where my husband and I would sit on our left seat here, watch the Rose Parade, maybe sip on something warm to drink and have a little bit of breakfast. So that is what my New Year's Day tablescape is. It is a table for two for New Year's Day breakfast while watching the Rose Parade. And as I mentioned in my DIY craft videos, I have tied my decor in with the theme of the parade this year, which is Melody of Life. In that video, I showed how I created this centerpiece with some fake roses in honor of the Rose Parade, along with the musical themed paper for the Melody of Life. And now I'll show you the other elements of my tablescape. I took the rosettes I made and I just laid them on top of my napkins, which are in napkin rings. These are napkins you've seen before in many tablescapes. They're kind of a suede, ultra suede napkin. They wash really well. I got them from Pier 1 several years ago, and I'm just using these black metal napkin rings. They're kind of like everyday napkin rings. And I've taken the rosettes and literally just sit them on top so that it ties in with the centerpiece. And then below that are these plaid plates that I picked up this fall. They were watercolor plaid plates from Pier 1, and I showed them in my plaid tablescape. And I have those sitting on just some white plates with a little bit of scallop detail. These plates came from Home Goods. I got them in packs of 4 for $8, so the plate was $2. These were a little bit more since they came from Pier 1. But you can use these plates in so many different ways. They're very versatile. Here I'm just using the white plate as more of like a charger, because generally, you know, you don't eat as much as breakfast, so maybe a little bit of egg, some bacon, or even just like a continental breakfast with croissant or muffin. I did set the napkin onto the plate so there would be a little more room to have fork on the side, as well as a teacup, coffee cup off to the side for whatever warm drink you're going to have. And then right here I put the gold and marble tray I just picked up at Target the other day on clearance, after Christmas clearance, and because I thought the colors tied in well. And over here I have just a little cake stand. We can put the food on those two pieces and help ourselves from it. And then I just have another setup over here the same way. So as you can see, I'm using a black and white and kind of taupey tan color theme for the table. Nothing really super fancy. These teacups are a little bit fancier. These I once again borrowed from my daughter's collection because she has lots of black and white. And then I am using a table runner I bought many years ago. It looks all black, but this is the reverse side. It actually has a pattern on the other side. So I just flipped it over and I'm using the lining side, although it's the same material is on the front, just doesn't have the embroidery. And I've just draped that across my coffee table. Unfortunately, it doesn't hit the ground on either end. But if yours was too long, you could certainly double it over so that it would fit on there. But that is my tablescape for 2. Now I'm going to show you an option of what you can do if you don't really want to wash any dishes that morning if you had a party the night before. So here's an option of what you could do if you had a party the night before with disposable dishes and flatware that you had pieces left over from that you wanted to use up and not have to do any the next morning. So this is literally just one of those styrofoam plates that comes in a large package. I'm using that in place of the white ceramic plate I showed you in the table setting before. I had these paper plates left over from my daughter's college graduation. That was back in June. And I've just set that on top, so that could be your main plate for breakfast. And then I've just taken the rosette and put it in the center just to add a little bit of more decor. You could actually take it and attach it to a plastic cup if you wanted to have it be a little bit nicer, but then it might interfere with your being able to pick up your cup. So I just set it there as a little bit of decor, and you can set it off to the side when you're ready to eat. Then I had these napkins left over from that party as well, that graduation party, and these are some fancy forks I had from one of her birthday parties in the past. And like I said, if they're in good shape, we just usually keep them and wash them. So those look nice. You don't have to. You can toss them if you want to. This is just a plastic cup, so if you have some juice or iced tea, you can use it. A paper straw. And then I found these to-go cups at Target. They say Winter Bliss on them, but they had gold and black on them. And I had them for guests for Christmas dinner if they wanted to take something warm to drink with them before they went on their drive home, because some of our guests live far away. So that is another option if you really don't want to do any dishes on New Year's Day morning. Once you are up and about, you can just set it up like this, and it still looks very nice and festive and ties in with the centerpiece that I created. And then in this coffee one, I'm just using another straw as a stir stick instead of a spoon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I put together for my New Year's Day tablescape. And please do be sure to check out the playlist of the other participants in this challenge, as well as the channels of the 3 ladies who are hosting this challenge. Thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Please leave me a comment also if you did enjoy this tablescape, and a thumbs up so I know you like the content. I hope to see you all again next time, and I hope you have a very happy New Year's Day celebration. Bye-bye.